Hi guys, this is TM over here, and today I bring you a second review of the Samsung Gear 2. Well, after using this Gear 2 for the smartwatch for a month, I have some pros and cons that I found out, but they are basically big pros because I don't see many cons in here, but the advantages are many, and I really like this smartwatch. But so first, let's begin. Let's start with the battery. So in the Gear 2 we have a 300 mAh battery, which I think is more than enough. But first of all, I thought that what's 300 mAh? Well, that is only going to last a couple of hours. But, well, that doesn't happen because we don't have a lot of antennas like we do in our smartphones. That's why our smartphones need 2000 mAh batteries and stuff like that, almost 3000 mAh batteries, because they use a lot of resources, like the processors consume a lot of battery, the RAM and all of the antennas. Well, this one only has and a lot of sensors, but this one only has the Bluetooth and a couple of sensors that don't waste a lot of battery. But and actually they don't have a GPS because it connects to the phone throughout Bluetooth. So I think that the battery is more than enough. The Gear 2 battery lasts for 2 to 3 days of normal use, but once it reached 6 days and I wasn't using it much. But well, it's a good battery. I think if they could add a little larger battery with a couple of more milliamps, that would be great, but I don't think that's the major issue. Now let's go to the weight. Well, if you put this watch in your arm, you probably are not going to feel it, because to feel it in your arm, I think the weight is not like the Gear 1. The Gear 1 was kinda heavy, but the Gear 2 is very light actually, and it's just like another watch, a normal watch that doesn't weigh much. Well, then let's go to check out the screen. Well, the screen is a 1.63 inch Super AMOLED, and it works just great. I don't think that they should put a bigger screen. I think this screen is just amazing, and because if you want a bigger screen, well, we have our smartphones, isn't that true? So it's just a watch, a normal watch, with a couple of more options. Well, then we have the phone calls. Well, the quality is actually kinda nice, but if you are in a loud environment, well, you can't use your smartwatch. But obviously, then you will use your smartphone. But what I thought that was really good is the notification, because you can choose what notifications go to your gear, and there's a study that proves that we check out our phone lots of times, a lot of times per day, and using our smartwatch really makes things easier. Really makes the things easier, because with a quick glance to our smartwatch, we can check out what notification it is important. It is worth to get our smartphone out of our pockets I really like that. Then we have the IP67 certificated dust and water resistant. Well, first of all, I thought that this was IP66, but it actually is 67. So that means it is total dust resistant, dust proof, and water resistant, which means you can put your smartphone to 1 meter underwater for 30 minutes. Well, I think that's more than enough. That's just great, I think. I haven't put my smartwatch underwater, really underwater, but just by washing my hands and stuff like that. Well, it works just great. But if you put it underwater, the screen is kind of goes like nuts, because it starts swiping to the left and to the right and entering things. So if you have your smartwatch when you are going to bathe yourself, just turn off the screen and everything's just great. Then we have the camera. We have a 2 megapixel out of focus camera. Well, the camera, we don't want 13 megapixels in a smartwatch. That's just stupid. If you want to take a really great photo, you buy your own camera, and if you want to take a really nice photo, you can use your Galaxy, your cell phone, your smartphone. Well, but obviously not your watch. That's just a camera that well, you can use it for emergencies. I don't know, but well, the camera, I think it's great. Then we have the Bluetooth 4.0, which guarantees a fast connection, which is actually very nice. And then we have absolutely no lag in the Gear 2. We have a CPU of 1 GHz, and the operating system is TIZEN. Well, I don't know if it would be better if it had Android, but well, TIZEN is the Samsung's operating system, but I think it works just great, and they're giving the development tools to the developers, so they can do a lot of apps to TIZEN. Well, I don't think that's the major issue, but for those of you who want the Android Wear, we hope that the Android Wear has a similar hardware, so that we can install that Android Wear in our Gear 2. Well, there is no lag at all, and it works just great. It didn't crash or something like that. I never had a single problem with that. Well, it's just amazing. So, well, after a month using this smartwatch, I really think that it was a great purchase. I really like it. So if you are thinking about buying one, yeah, you can buy one. But I think that you should wait a little bit more till the Android Wear comes out, so that we can compare those two smartwatches. Well, but that's just it. Well, this was just a quick review, and to sum up, I think this is a great smartwatch. If you want to buy one, buy one. You won't regret it. Well, this is it. Well, but the final decision is up to you. So let me know in the comments, what do you think about your Gear 2? What do you think about it? If it was worth the purchase or if it wasn't, and tell me about the battery. Does the battery last 2 to 3 days for you? Can you last 6 days with only one charge, like Samsung says? Well, just let me know in the description. Not in the description. In the comments below. And well, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. This was TM.